Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you really quick, something I came across today. Um, this is called Journal D Browser. This allows you to view the binary. It's a GUI for viewing binary logs on your system, which is pretty neat. This basically does everything you'd normally do with Journal CTL. So if you jump over here into this terminal, you could run Journal CTL or, Journal CTL-XE, whatever, right? So everything you'd normally do on the command line with this tool, we have this nice GUI that we can do all the same things. An interesting thing right up here at the top, see it says boot. You can select records from different, it's only giving me one. I think I wiped out the older boots, but you could select which boot the logs come from. You can go to transport here. So right now it's showing everything. You can select only kernel logs if you want. So only kernel messages. You go under priority, you can select which priority, like info, debug, warning, error, critical alert, emergency, all that kind of stuff. And we could just go with no filter for now. So no filter and check kernel. We can see all the kernel messages, uncheck kernel, and we're going to see all the messages without any filtering by priority. And we can go to units. We can filter by unit, or we could filter by process, right? So for example, we could view sudo related logs, right? Let's click on this, all the sudo related stuff. Anytime I used sudo, we can look at pipewire related logs, anything related to pipewire. We could look at OBS related logs. Look at this, everything related. I'm using OBS to record this right now. Look at that, all sorts of neat info in the logs. Pretty neat, instead of having to poke around on the command line and search for what you're supposed to grep for or whatever. Yeah, you can do that by process. You can do it by I'm sure you're used to using sorting by unit on the command line, but here it gives you just a nice menu showing all the units you could sort by. You could check like systemd, login and only show things from that. You could decide to only show UDEV related stuff like this, only UDEV related mess. See, basically you can see what I'm saying. Like unit, you can sort by unit or filter by unit, filter by process. Tons, basically shows you all the processes on your system. You can filter by priority and just select kernel stuff. So pretty neat tool right here. Current journal, timestamps, color. Yeah, basically just good. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully you found this interesting. Yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button. We do a lot of other great stuff. Some of our videos are more interesting than this one if you're not super excited by log files. A lot of times we do more command line stuff, and a lot of times we just do like OS installations. We do hardware, software, coding, electronics, all sorts of great stuff you don't want to miss out on. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon too so you don't miss out on our new upcoming videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.